It's a tradition at 4Patriots to support military and veteran-focused nonprofit organizations. As one of our loyal customers, you are making a huge impact on the lives of these veterans and many others.
Back in the day, when you were in the service, the way that you communicated was with a good old-fashioned mail call. That's what we've got for you. So when you hear your name, raise your hand so we can get you your letters. I've got Jerry Meddy, Alan, Dennis Wolf, Lorraine, Larry, Rudy, Bob.
Loves my sister Cynthia. Woo.
I mean, there are just so many amazing things that have happened in the mail calls that I've been a part of. There have been veterans who say they didn't know that their families still loved them until they get these cards and letters. There was a sister who had every letter her brother ever had written to her when he was in Vietnam, and she packaged those up and gave them to him in his mail call. If it wasn't for Honor Flight, these letters wouldn't be written and these people wouldn't know how much they mean.
This is our baby grandson's class. And the lady that runs a homeschool group had all of her kids write us personal letters. The ones that are in kindergarten just colored the Lone Eagle. Welcome home. Bless this little boy. He did it backwards, but he still did it. And then the teacher herself wrote you a whole page.
So if you haven't met me yet, my name's Allie. I work for 4Patriots, and we are a sponsor of this Lone Eagle Honor Flight. We knew that our customers all across the country would really care to partake in this celebration. So we asked them if they might want to say something to you, and within days we had more than 600 customers write in a message to you. And so we've put together some of the most special ones. You don't know these people, but they dropped everything and in an instant poured their heart out in a note. And so we want you to see this, that there are so many people who are grateful to you from all around the United States.